Hello kids, yes, I am back with another activity of DIY. So let us just start. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. As you all know, today it's Gandhi Jayanti. We are celebrating Gandhiji's birthday today. And do you know kids that along with Gandhiji, he shares his birthday with one of the famous leaders of India. Yes, that is Lal Bahadur Shastri also. So Gandhiji and Lal Bahadur Shastri were both of them were born on 2nd October. Let me just brief you and then we'll move on to our DIY activity. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. He was known as Father of the Nation and even with love we call him Bapu. While Lal Bahadur Shastri was also born on 2nd October in 1904 in a place called Mughal Sarai. And he was the second Prime Minister of India. He is known for his slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So now, let us just move on to our DIY activity for today. We are going to make this Gandhiji topi today, which is known as Gandhiji's topi, and Lal Bahadur Shastri also used to wear this kind of topi. So this is our tribute to Gandhiji as well as Lal Bahadur Shastri. We are making a topi which is known as Gandhiji topi and worn by Lal Bahadur Shastri also, which is quite simple. We just need two things for this. I am taking a A3 sheet and glue. That's all kids today we need. It's quite a simple activity. So we just need one A3 size sheet and glue. So let me tell you, we will just divide this sheet into two halves. We are not going to cut it. We are just going to fold it, taking care that we have divided into two equal halves. And then approximately I am taking 8 centimeters from this side and 8 centimeters from this side. So you can even use a ruler, but I have a measuring sheet here. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking 8 centimeters from this side and I am folding it. And again, eight centimeters from this side. We have just given a simple fold like this. So we have given a fold like this, kids. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make a triangle. But let me just tell you what I have done. I have taken an A3 sheet. I have folded in two halves. Equal halves I have divided it. And from both these sides, approximately 8 centimeters. It's approximately 8 centimeters, kids. Okay. And then I have just folded it this way. Then I will make a triangle from this side, like this, and also a triangle like this. And we will open it like this. So we are going to do this one first. I have opened it and I have just given a press like this. The same triangle, I have pressed it from here. And I have folded it like this. So what I have done, what I did a triangle like this. I opened my triangle like this. I opened my sheet like this. And I pressed it from here. So you can see a pocket is made. And then I have folded it. Same way, what I will do, I have made this triangle like this. Now again, I will open it from here and I will press it from here. And again, I will fold it from here. Okay, so up something like this will come out. Okay, you can see. I'm going to tell you this again. This is the only thing which is little tricky. Otherwise, this is quite easy. What I have done, I have folded it like this. Then I have made a triangle like this. Then I opened my triangle and I opened it towards the folded side and I opened it like this. Then I have given a fold. Taking care these lines, I am giving a fold like this. So from where I have folded, exactly from this line, like this. Same way this line and like this. I have taken a thick sheet, kids, because I wanted to make it a durable kind of a Gandhi cap. And see, our cap is almost ready. So we have pressed it from here. We have first pressed it like this, then opened it like this. We'll do the sticking part. So we'll stick it from here. We'll press it so that it sticks properly. Even these open pockets we can stick. Kids, do remember that you take a A3 sheet, because if otherwise, if you are going to take a A4 sheet, the size will not be that big enough that you can wear. This Gandhi topi, you can wear it also. If you will take an A3 sheet, it will be a very thin layered topi will come out, so you cannot wear it. So just take care that you take a A3 sheet. See, if you will take a A3 sheet, it will be so thin. So just take care, A4 sheet, it will be so thin. So if you want to really make a nice, beautiful topi, Gandhi topi, you need to really make it with an A3 sheet. Don't take an A4 sheet, please. And then or you can do. Okay, kids. So we have done this folding. Now, taking care of these lines. Taking care of these lines, we will fold it like this. Again, this side also, these lines, we again fold it like this. Now, in the end, we will be using our glue. And we will give a press like this. So like this, we'll give a press. We need to take care that our sheet should not be very thick and it should not be very thin. Okay. So we'll give a press like this. Give a proper press like this, and then we will stick these corners. We'll just stick this corner properly, which will take little time to stick also. Only these corner, kids, because we need that fold should come. So don't take a thick sheet, don't take a A4 sheet, as I have showed you. that if you will take a A4 sheet, such thin cap will come out. So if you will take a A3 sheet, you will have a nice cap which you can even wear. Only the corners we will stick. Here also in the corner we will stick. And we fold it for some time. Okay. Yeah. We'll give a press from here. And you can see our cap is ready. So our Gandhi topi is ready. You see, we can fold it also when we want to keep it like this. So just take care, kids, that you take a little thin sheet and it will come out nicely. So this is one and this is the one which we made earlier. We have to give a proper press here so that it gets into a shape properly. Okay. So you can see our Gandhi topi is ready. So you can make it and even you can wear it because it's of a good size, you can see. I hope the instructions were clear. It was quite easy. We just need a A3 sheet and glue. And if you want to use pencil and ruler for the markings, I have approximately taken 8 centimeters on both these sides. So I hope the instructions were clear. So we are going to meet soon, kids. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And enjoy all the DIY activities. Thank you.